And this is Elaine's gym.
I say it's 2 o'clock. I'm your 2 o'clock. I'm your 2 o'clock client. Hello, 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 hello. I'm here for my physical training. I wish to become more attractive. You see, I'm not sure whether I wish to attract men or women, but you know, most of the homosexuals that I know, they are rather particular about the fellows that they associate with. So perhaps we should just modify it so that I would just attract perhaps.
Right. Well, you've come to a great place to get attracted.
Because my mom has just died after many years. I've been looking after her, and you know, I never did have a childhood, never did have a young adulthood.
Too much information, sir. Okay, look.
Okay.
What we're going to try and do.
Okay.
Why don't you try this weight first?
Okay. All right.
Okay. I'm going to set it down for you. Always bend at the knees. Bend at the knees.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now breathe in. Breathe in.
Okay. Ow! Ow! That hurt.
It's only 11 stone.
No, 11 stone. No, I'm just a clerk typist. You see,
okay.
We need to go more gradually.
Right. I'm sorry. That's my fault. I didn't size you up right. Okay. Let's.
All right. Now.
Let's just try squats. This will help you with what you're trying to get done. Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. This is great for any experience you're trying to get. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you feeling it?
Oh yes,
clinch it when you get that clinch.
I definitely feel more attractive now.
Oh yeah, I can tell you get more attractive.
I do. Do you find me more attractive now?
I think you were just as attractive as when you came in, but at each day you come into Elaine's gym.
No, I was reading in a magazine. You see that once one does some physical exercise, these little chemicals come out of your brain, and all they go out in the world, and then they bring back.
Serotonin and endorphins, right?
Endorphins, yes.
Right.
Okay. So.
Okay, that was kind of weird.
And I would like to become more fluid as well, like you are. You're very fluid. You're very flexible.
Dance classes too. Would you like to say
dance classes in addition to the physical training?
Okay, great.
Good. Now, how much will this cost?
Well, we can set you up on the 5-year plan.
A 5-year plan. Oh, good.
£14,000.
14. My God. That's more than I make in a year. I'm only a clerk typist, but I'm a senior clerk typist at the ministry.
That's why we spread it out over 5 years. 5 years.
5-year plan. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Okay.
For endorphins.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Right. Okay, good.
Yes. Okay.
You want to be attractive.
Okay. Yes, I do.
Sign.
I do.
Right here. Wait. Right there.
Okay. All right. And it says here that if I don't pay, you'll send someone to beat me up.
Pay no attention to the fine print.
Will you be doing the beating, or will there be these huge men doing the beating? Do I get a choice?
Whichever you prefer.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So tomorrow, at the same time, I'll bring the payment.
Right.
This is 14,000 divided by 60, which is something.
Right. Good day.
See.